Save to live ulit.
To
Point
live?
break.
Ay, Skyrat ako, Sky. Bosit to. Sky.
Pwedeng
Ay.
VR.
Sky,
VR
maganda
yan.
sa akin, Sky.
Tinker.
Kaya dito sa Euro, tangin na tapos kayo.
Snapper na lang, sige.
Mid yan?
Oy, mid ako.
Oh, lol, di ako magsusupport.
Kahit saan, wala tayong carry. Paano sino carry natin? Bakit nagpumili ng ward to?
10 seconds left to pick a hero. You better pick your hero. 5 seconds. 5 seconds, Morty. It'll be fine.
Ako mo na yung sa revealing stone.
Yo, what's up?
Yung dulo?
Hindi pa ata.
Ilan na naman?
Maduga pala tayo. Skyrat sabay dubidap-dap.
Sakit nila.
So sakit tayo gago. Lakas ng burst natin dalawa. Atos ko to. Ikaw na mag-atas.
Pwede rin. Yung upgrade.
Ikaw na lang. Mas kailangan mo yun eh. Tara, magsusod ako.
Kalang, ano kaya first item ko?
Crunchy's regrets are retro. I know, Morty.
Di na ako mag-isod. Bago isip ko.
Let's ride. I could mosey.
Sod na nga. Tara, sod ano?
Wait lang.
30 seconds to game start.
Tara, Ken. Yan, hook.
Mortimer will get us there. Making peace. Get along.
Who's that blowing the horn?
Ayun na.
Somebody stop.
Huli.
Yun.
Ay,
Horn.
buntot. Di na
Stun.
yung buntot par.
Come out my face.
Gago, di nag-i-stun.
Sure.
Bakit siya may ward? Support ba si Red King?
Water in the
Mali ko dyan. May words niya eh.
Pag yan di ward, sinasabi ko sa'yo.
sure as a gun.
Nice one.
Naka-deward siya. Quits naman daw.
Giddy up.
Di lamang pala kalaban mo nun.
Pulling in the
Tamang, pag
Duga
bumili
niyan,
ka
no?
sa entry.
really though.
Ito, may kalaban yun ah.
This is how your cookie crumbles. What do you need legs for? By hook or by crook.
Gago sino? Ikaw offlane.
Is waddle down
Ko alam. Support lang
ikaw.
sana to eh.
Ikaw.
Sometimes you go
Nag-event lang naman kami. Kailangan namin
Ako?
panalo eh.
Nag-event lang din ako.
Should we hurry?
Kailangan manalo ng pudge mo.
Oo.
Hirap dyan.
Which way, Mortimer?
Agaw na lang tayo crap shot.
Hindi lang.
Draw a bead.
Sira na.
I'm in for it. Look at
Ang
this
tang nagago to ah. Kanina pa to ah.
Patayan.
by four.
Ay ka, boss.
Putang
Mali
ina.
mo.
Well,
Hindi ko makita.
I got something for you.
May baka? May baka?
Mega dyan?
I let my
Yun, na-slow ka. Hinang di ko na-dodge.
arm a big eye. Put some shine on it.
Nice one.
Four legs of china.
Pag ako meron lotus agad ng ganon.
Roads.
Oo, tayo.
Enough chat.
3 minutes lang ata. Ay, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Ay, 30.
This here's my boomstick.
So every 1 minute and 30.
Arm your
Okay.
moving.
Taas ang damage mo.
Soul ring.
Hindi ako makaano. Abot. Taas talaga ng base damage niyan. Maduga ako, boss. Nakadalawang ano ako.
You might be surprised.
Nal ako.
Wait along.
Huli! Maduga ako. Nakadalawang nal talisman ako eh.
Dalawa ba? Tatlo.
Tatlo pala to.
Almost looks alive, don't it? I'll bake a tray on the way.
Hawkman, patayan eh.
This ain't
Hindi sila makalabas eh.
ride.
Naharas ka eh.
Surrender.
Huli ka.
This'll set some of the stars.
Uy, sa akin pa talaga sayang eh.
Next time, try to be more aware of your surroundings. Take the back.
Pinaulan na ng Tokneneng.
This way, Mortimer. Cha!
Nagpa-farm sa baba yun.
Ang naduga ako, na tatlong nal talisman. Di rin maharas eh.
Trail. Time to get.
Hawkman, patay ulit.
Waste not,
Sige.
and you won't get wasted.
Ay!
Yun.
Putang ina!
Hindi, crop shot lang, crop shot.
Enjoy the ride. Brought something for you, too.
Na-fish hook yung creeps.
Reach for the sky.
Sa linya, hindi kasama yung creeps eh.
And cookies. Cookies and cookies. Say hello to my little friend.
Ano yun?
They call that the snap fire.
Bato si Kyop.
He'll find his way. You bet.
Yel, tip it up.
Patay na sila. Wala akong ulti.
Pride.
Wala pa akong ulti eh. Kaya di ako kampanta rin.
Perfect fit. Artillery on the move.
Anong oras kaya pwede makabili? Actually.
Stir the pot.
Ay, dagger na nga muna ako.
We'll get there.
Lakas naman tayo Yel eh.
No,
Stun anyone. Stun.
Palakad ako dyan. May ulti ako, 5 sec. Ay, di ko na ultihan. Tayo na lang. Ayun o. Lang.
force feed.
Ay, sobra.
Tracks.
Wala na ako yung ano mo doon.
Kala ko si Is natutok.
On the shoot. Need this. Crack shot. Run and gun. Lead up. Aces. Should we
Ay, sir.
Ay,
Nadagiran lang tok na hining mo eh. Ay, aanahan lang eh. Kapunta dagger ka na?
oh.
Ooh, they took out the enemy's middle tower.
Bakit sa top oh. Dito na, Tokneneng ka pa. Ay, dito. Wala nang tumama, par. Oh,
I reckon.
Mana, tapos yung mana.
Well,
walang ano dito.
giddy up. Pack an iron.
Ako na kayo magatos.
Pwede, dalawa.
Like my scatter gun.
May baka tipi sa baba.
Ako.
Sure.
Nag-back.
Save a snort for later. Get along.
Stun it.
Powder game.
Healing spray oh.
Eh, may dagger ako pag nandyan.
Don't underestimate. Power of deep. Run and
Ka.
gun.
Ano lang word?
Don't need roads.
Bawal pa bumili. Shard.
Let's
Dagger mo.
Now make it
Ultihan mo na, boss.
Wala ko. Sige.
4x4. Take the back way.
All pa? Ay, pwede na niya la.
Okay.
You gonna skin that smoke wagon? Fight for life!
Maganda rin shard na ito eh.
Aray, hiwa.
Mercy!
Sana?
This way, Mortimer.
Makagat mo lang pala, patay na sa atin eh, no? Ano?
Making tracks.
Ulong, oy.
Sure as it got. Slow down. Push
Saan
right
mo?
down.
Bang.
Fingers. Is that Nader? Oh no. Don't you blood.
Hindi ko yung mukha, par.
By the by.
Uy,
Wag. Baka i-finger ka lang, kaya ako inano. Ito na nga, i-finger na. May dagger ba to?
Hit back.
Or stop lang?
tiping ako.
TV.
Kaya wala akong ulti ah. Harapan mo, Adak.
Sige.
You bet.
May lion, sir. May lion. Kaya ata.
Okay, wala na tayo.
Hindi lang, patay ako.
Bye.
Bye.
I better get back.
Wait lang.
You know, Rick, I gotta tell you, my bottom
Ito.
pretty good.
Shotgun sa mukha, sir.
Shotgun pa.
Which way, Mortimer?
May ulti ako. Short lang ako sa mga ano yata.
Sagin na natin to.
Lickety split.
Magkaka-ulti ako.
Di?
Okay.
Pwede na.
Mortimer will get us there.
Isra ulit.
Wala kang mana.
Kuya par. Ay.
Ako mana gago.
Okay, kagati mo par.
Kagat.
Ultihan ko. May regen par. Sana hindi makita ni Kev.
Ooh, your middle tower's under attack.
Supplements. I'm in for snack attack. Get a load of this. Moving. He'll find his way.
Luga ng hero ko. Oh. Ang saya.
Mosey. In your goody in the
Uy,
We'll get there.
Wala akong dagger, sir.
pagulat ka naman layon.
Competence on your part.
Kala ko mapapatay ka na.
Nice and easy.
Go.
Ang
Ilang
ba't
sombo eh.
hindi bumibilis yung ano pala sa kaya siya? Yung talon?
Ay, we.
Oo, mabagal pa rin, di ba? Akala ko bibilis.
Hindi ko napansin eh.
Artillery on the move. What a kick. Snack attack. I'll mosey on.
Ang Raid King, o Radiance palang item oh.
Okay, dyan ako. Sila.
Wiggle on.
Layo ko, sir.
Okay, basagin na lang natin dyan.
Making tracks.
Take. Ay, saan kayo papunta?
Should we hurry?
Wala pa akong ano.
Kev.
Walaan mo.
Naka ano, Claymore.
Grab the apple. Gut bomb over there, Frank.
Whoa, the enemy's top tower got destroyed.
Ay, nakatakas.
Roads. Drop.
Your bottom tower's under attack.
By the by.
Tay.
Uy, yun yun. Ano yan? Hook?
Artillery on the move.
Kalakad ako.
Gago ka.
May atos ka ba?
Wala, 3 seconds.
Uy, si Raulo.
Gago, kita ka.
Don't mind if you do.
Papunta na rin
3
ako.
seconds yung ano. Ah,
Support
sino
muna.
kaya mapipinger?
Support. Ay! Obo! Baliktad. Eko.
Uy, ginagawa mo dito sa harap ko.
Eko sa loob.
I'm in for. Here's the real.
Mali yung eko.
Ba't nasa harap ko yun?
Wala, butata yun si
Middle
Kepar.
tower's gone. Serves them right.
4x4.
So,
Kakagat pa lang ako eh.
ginaganan ng puwet.
Take the back way. He'll find
No one saw that
his way.
daw. Naiya tuloy.
Oh, your bottom tower's under attack.
Right something for you, too. Nice and easy. In
Saan
the
siya?
powder game,
Kung Gyroton, wala. Bilis ah.
run and gun. Eat land.
Man, you might as well save that energy.
May pagka-animal ah.
Radiant just fortified their structures.
That's my scatter gun.
Ah, kasi maka-wave creeps din.
Way more
Oh, Bismuth clear.
The enemy's bottom tower is gone.
Ang ginamit ko, hindi ako ganyan eh.
water in the gulch.
Baka wala ang shard.
Late ako nag-short.
You bet. Snap attack. You don't know what I
Napalaban ah.
bet. Oh,
Ang mga dudong.
TP ako.
I'll enjoy the ride.
Lapit lang ako. Cup, sir.
Save room for dessert.
Bang.
Working on it.
Ay, silence ako 3 seconds.
Hirap naman ni Totok. Yung jumping salad.
3 seconds ulit.
Which way, Mortimer? Great shot. Let's have a look-see.
Oh,
7 years. Meron akong background sa music.
The bullet hell.
Siyempre is because life was challenging.
You want a piece of me?
And mostly excited dahil
Let's
ang
ride.
experience.
At pala, Mitchur Hammer, no?
Focus.
Tagal natin pumus.
Medyo
Sure as a gun.
wala tayong pampush.
Mortimer,
Gago magka-25 na pala ako.
nababasa sa school.
25 na nga ako eh.
Lahat ng mga acrobat, parang mas
Support lang ako eh.
mga mahihirap ginawa ko. Parang yun yung initiation.
Uli.
Even if I can't sing, pinakakanta ako.
where are you gonna run? Right, no. On the dusty trail.
It is really fun and feeling ko talaga I got to know myself. I think equally
Back in iron.
is able to showcase lahat ng mga talent ko.
Hello ba, sir?
Magkaroon
4 legs a turret.
competitive.
The enemy's top tower's fallen. Man, great teamwork, Torre. You're actually watching this, Morty?
I'll always be grateful. Ngayon, pag tinatanong ako, it was the hardest one.
That one they call him a big iron.
It was really Philippine.
Yeah, I reckon.
Lang rin.
Mahal na mahal ko sila. And
I could mosey.
that would from the floor director to the cameraman.
Guess I'll take it with me. Pick it up.
Ilang.
Back down.
Kain na natin.
With every on the prod. In you go.
Bang.
Grabe naman yun.
The enemy's middle
Sana si Gyra.
serves them right.
Where are you?
Sure.
Enemy's middle barracks just got wrecked, baby!
Tap lang sir, para may clips.
You know what you're doing.
Where you gonna run?
Buto wala palang sprint yung ano dito.
inspires me. At alam ko, this shape. Alam ko na
This is how I
ng tao, they will follow to watch it eat
Whoa, whoa, whoa! They took out the enemy's top
Dahil sa
tower!
power
What do you need legs
sa
for?
dahil sa tulong, aral na pinapakita.
The enemy's top barracks just got riggedy
Once
riggedy
in our
wrecked,
lives,
son!
forever.
Run and gun.
Nice! It's like that song, Glomp Glomp, but not nuke, the nuke, nuke, nuke. Your bottom tower's under attack.
Gabercad since 2011.
Looks like dire structures are fortified.
A letter.
Your bottom tower's under attack!
Fancy right?
Trip na stun ako.
Bye.
Laki!
Gago.
Coming to you. I'm under attack.
Mayawan na. Uy, gago ka. Silence ako.
Oh boy, whoa, what a good work.
Hindi ka bumili sir kung center.
Bibili nga ako dapat.
Are we the idiots?
They worked as a team, they hustled, they got in there, took care of business, and they won. Good work, Dyer.
Grabe nakakainis kayo!
Bubuksan ka na kaya.
Soy el tipo de lo. Mira mis ojos y también mira mi pelo.
Yun, buksan na.
The devil. Saan na?
Prayer journey. At
Kulang yun.
parang kailan na ako yung sumasali ngayon ng
Strength.
So, maraming salamat sa Bulaga.
Strength tsaka hermit para.
Magra-rank ba kayo?
Pwede naman.
Wait lang, si Erlang garod ako. 5 minutes.
Karkar. Yeah. Dayo mo na sir, 81 ka na oh.
Hindi ako yan. Ano pa lang ako? 40 ata. 50.
Saan yan? Ito, reroll. Reroll tayo. Sana makapuso.
Ay, meron nga pala isa. Ay, ba't wala ako? Panalo tayo. Wala palang dagdag yan, nariral.
Wala. Puta na yung isa, walang maganda sa apat, boy.
Apat na reroll. Malas.
Ano kailangan ko? Kailangan mag-support, sir.
Rank ba tayo? Rank na?
Rank na ba? Hindi ko alam eh.
Ikaw.
Oh, tulog pa naman eh.
Ba hero ko next? Strength. Kesa ano, dalawang strength ko.
No. Revealing stone. Sa dulo ka na, sir?
Wala pa. 56 pa lang.
Ganda ng invoker din, oh.
24 ka pa lang, di mo kasi pinapalit yung scrap mo. Palit.
Oo nga pala. Konti lang to eh.
Si Juan nga, 26 na.
Sipag eh, no?
Sundot-sundot pa yan.
Let's go to work. Get on a swivel. I'm busy.
What are we here for again?
Trying to
Help these guys win a game?
let me see how
Game?
Rick can work for it.
Right, yeah, okay.
Just over there. Good luck. Good. You get to see my game face. No kids can hold me. Right tool for the right fool. No nest is safe. Not yet. Devastating Rex. This won't hurt a bit. It'll hurt a lot. Beak Buster. Austin! What's the rush? Let's mix it up. You'll get yours. Big throw. I'm getting attacked over here. I'm unflappable. I'm getting attacked. Freeze a bird. Attacking tsunami. Can I come? Not bad. Don't you see it? Are we honest here? No idea what this thing does. It's go time. Slice twice. Got it. Hey, wait for me. Rouse it or grouse it. I can roll. I can cut you apart. I don't want to do this. On it. He asked for this. Pass the journey, is what Crawl says. Kazurai waits. What do we have here? No problem.
Saan na siya?
Okay.
Wala pa.
Oh, come on. The middle tower's under attack. Oh, man.
Wala pa. Tagal niya.
Sweet deal. Give me a second.
Wow. Galing nun.
I-upload ko sa YouTube para may panoorin. Tapos nagkalat eh, no?
Taiwan talaga tangin. Kung makalimutan.
Paano pa kung nandun ka? Tanga kung kasali ka.
Tawa ko ng tawa nun. Sunod-sunod pa. Hindi pang offlane si Juan eh, no? Hindi siya yung pampasok eh.
Ate TI eh.
Mali-mali mag-call yan si Juan eh.
Anong oras kaya yung laro mamaya? Laglag yung OG. Tangingat.
At nagulat ng live mula sa Senado. Maraming salamat sa inyong recommendation yung Representative Isabel.
Napatunayang galing mismo kay Duterte ang pera o nananuhot.
Maligo ata to sir ah. Tagal eh na.
Sabi niya, liguan lang siya. Ay, gago.
Link dagger. They cannot hide.
Oh, jeez, we're in some real trouble. I know, Morty. Just follow my lead.
Fall out. The thunder of hooves. I approve. Stand aside. Into the fray. Make way. Yes,
Gulo.
I shall find them. Point taken. Ah, yes. I can lead on my own. Ground shudders.
Hello.
Yun.
Wait lang. Dot, may update yata. Walang update sa inyo?
Oo nga, nakalagay. Wait,
Nag-update.
update nga, nakalagay.
Sira na naman siguro par. Baka hindi ma-record.
Kagabi pa naggaganto to ah.
Okay naman. Relax lang. Nakabahan daw kasi kayong dalawa eh.
Hindi ma-record eh.
Yan.
May magkakaparty pa rin. Hindi natanggal.
Mag-rank ba tayo? Mag-turbo?
Ikaw.
Mag-start ng rank eh. Okay na yan.
Wait lang, anong role ko? Yan.
Magsusupport ako. Ay, sige.
Ha?
Wait lang.
Core ka.
Check ko lang yung ano.
Naka-check ka lahat.
Wala akong core dito, puta.
Wala
Sa ano
roll
ko?
queue.
Hindi sa ano ko, walang core.
Alin? Roll queue?
Ano ka? Mag-save ako. Courier, oh. Courier ko primitic. Panis.
Ang ina,
Legend.
puro words yung nakukuha ko sa ano.
Legendary yung
Thank you.
courier ko, pre.
Pangit yan.
Pumbay kasi sa mga reroll.
Walang kalaban to kasi sira sa kanila.
Kagabi nga, parang hindi ako mag-start ng dire-diretso kaya natulog na lang ako.
Nawala ka naman kagabi, Boss Dax.
Oo nga eh. Wala nga ni.
What is this?
Huh? Oxygen-rich atmosphere, giant testicle monsters. We'll be fine. Let's party!
Indeed.
Mama.
Di na yata naglalaro sila Orin na.
Wala busy. Oo
Kupal.
nga, ayun na lang ulit ako nakakapag sundo-sundot lalaro ko eh.
Yo.
I venture forth. Exactly so. Here I am. I proceed. Behold,
Sep.
commendable notion.
Hindi ko pala nakita. Ano bang gagamitin ko? Si Tito Soto tsaka si Robin. Nagsanib.
Magkaalaban yan
Magkalaban nga yan eh. Ulit pars. Robin. Hindi na.
Gago si Hacker James Fong. Kilala mo ba yan, pre? Hindi mo kilala yan, no?
Sino yan? Hindi ko kalala. Korea
Na
ba?
Reels. Reels yan. Ano to?
Uy,
Patreconnect
nangyari?
ako.
May ba't reconnect?
Hindi, abandon lang yan pag ganyan.
Wait lang.
Ito. Coordinator, boss. Logging in.
Baka ma-abandon to par. In-abandon nyo na.
Inabandon ko.
Oo. May update nga to.
Wala. Sira. Mamaya na lang, sir. Baka mag-lag pag in-game na eh.
Ayun, okay na. Updated na.
Okay na sa inyo.
Okay na.
Sa akin hindi pa eh.
The decision is yours.
Okay, try.
Wait lang.
Nasa in-game pa daw kayo.
Save to live. Yan, go.
Wait lang. Pa-start pala ako. Okay.
Kawawa si Robin. Abandon ata yun ah.
Galaw.
Always looking at the referee. With that first kick, back it up to
Ano na to? May lumabas na sa inyo?
Wala pa.
Ngayon, confirming na.
Yan. Meron sa inyo? Yan.
Ah.
John Wick par.
Si Boogeyman. Sino gusto mo sa plane ko?
Ikaw, kahit ano.
Rick, there's only 10 seconds left to pick a hero.
Check ko muna, hero ko.
Ah!
WR na.
Kaya?
Hello, it's your turn to pick.
Gago. WR ka. Snap. Ganda.
Wala eh, wala sa choices eh.
Ano yan? Fucking ina.
Ang Ebro Master.
Ano yan?
Mid last pick sila.
Pwede ata ako ng ano, no? One draw carry, sir.
Alin? Draw? TB?
Ay, draw nga, no? Oo nga. Maganda draw. Hindi ko napansin agad.
More thread par. Sino
Ayun.
mid dyan? Bro?
Last pick, more thread. Mid, bro. Oo.
John Wick. No, hindi naman ni MKB yan eh. Tagos yan sa Ags.
Totoo ba?
Oo, kaya Silver Edge. Pwede rin.
Hindi, rush ags ko pa rin to, sir.
Oh, tagos naman yun eh. Kay PA.
Ganda ng ags nito sa ano. Light King.
The markswoman of the wood. On it.
Mga malipores niya, pre.
Oh, jeez, Rick, we're in some real trouble. I know, Morty. Just follow my lead.
Ako, kala ko
My
wards.
way.
Katang ano mo ah. Iwan mo, sir ah. Mukhang wards.
I'm way ahead.
Pumpkin yan.
Miss kasi ibon ko, pre. Mitik yan, tanga.
I gust onward.
Mukhang talonggis eh.
Magangos kayo.
As the arrow flies.
Laban tayo. Para siya to.
Vision tayo.
Of
Ay,
course.
na-break yung sad niya dito ah. May tao ata dito.
Wala. Lalo mo
Na-break yung sad nung ano, ano niya. O, diba? May tao nga.
Already moving.
Ito. Target.
Uy, isa lang target.
Sige mo eh.
You've got my wind up.
Yung ano nga, Tom Ducks, Tom.
Ah, tum-tum.
Until this place goes ham.
Some for size.
Right king, right king, right king.
Ay, bobo.
I go.
Tanaw, naho ko. Ay, nahawakan no. Uy, ano, wala tayong papatay. Gagubil lang.
Linarang si Raulo.
Return the favor.
Toxic naman ang ni Raid King. Report niya ito. Report niya si Raid King para.
Oh,
Blind
look at this game. It just started, baby.
Time for
Tago.
target practice.
Raulo.
On it.
Uy, may ano po, bounty.
Of course.
Ito, dalawa kayo dyan sa top.
On it.
Apat na bounty, sir. Tapos ang dami nating kill.
On my
PA.
way.
Itong ano, basic ng bote mo, Dok ah.
I
May
gust
boots
onward.
ako agad ah.
Ito, para makaharas ka.
As the arrow flies.
Ah.
I steal from the slow.
Bobo, deny din yan.
I go. I'm way ahead.
Sorry?
Already moving.
Ano sa ba yan?
As the arrow flies. At them. On it. Easy breezy. I'm way ahead. Is it raining arrows? Reap the whirlwind. Ah! I gust onward.
Bago mga itong groups.
Already moving. Of course. I go. No expiration date on this. On my way.
Ay, ata yan. Tom. This one.
Ay, patay ka.
Okay lang. Na ano, nabirada ako ng tom.
Wind in your hair.
May pang hold ka?
Meron.
Pala, hold mo na yun ng maraming creeps. Pala.
Already moving. Attack! Here, have an arrow. Attack! Not gonna happen. My feet fly. On it. I'm way ahead. As the arrow flies,
Gago. Ano ba yan? Ano nangyari sa crop shot ko?
you catch my point? I'm under attack. I gust onward. I go. On my way. Taste my arrow. Attack! I gust onward, but this away for later.
Hirap.
Hmm.
Ano, arcane ka na agad?
Saved for a rainy day. I run like the wind. Ah! Of course. As the arrow flies. Nuh-uh. I'm way ahead. Ah! Is it raining arrows? Attack! On it. On my way.
Hindi ako forward.
Wag. Baka higupan ka niyan.
Gotcha!
May skill ka pa?
On it.
Meron.
Kaya mo ata lumaban? Kaya mo ata lumaban?
TP ako.
Walang mana.
I'm way
Walang mana.
like the wind.
Nice one.
Ganda naman nun.
Uwi muna ako.
Ayang, hindi ka na CS.
Hindi ako pa pala nakapatay.
Gusto mo pa ma-CS
I
mo?
run like the wind.
Wala eh, sayang TP ka eh.
I go. I gust onward. Not yet.
Patay ata ako.
On my way. My feet fly.
Ah, wala siyang boots.
Of course.
Oh,
Ay,
tower's
sa
under
kuha
attack.
niya. Malas par.
Already moving.
Naka-invi si PA ah.
Oh shit! Gago, hindi ko nakita. Tomb na lang, tomb. Tayo mo.
Missing middle.
Magkano yung tomb?
125.
Mahal yung par, parang Honda Click.
As the arrow
Bottom
flies.
tower's under
Ang
attack.
2.5. Oh.
You know, Morty, it sometimes feels like they don't even care.
Ang TP par.
Ay, napapatay ako ng ganun lang.
Expiration every coin.
Nakakainis ah. Matanga ako ah.
Not ready. Incoming. Ah! Like the wind.
Ito, hindi ito makita. Help, help. Ay, XP ah, nakuha ba niya?
Hindi ko na-check.
Okay lang, walang TP to. Ay, may TP pala yan. Naglakad lang pala yan.
Oh, your bottom tower's under attack.
Ano man?
Ooh, Dire, you gotta fortify them, their structures. Good work.
Already moving. Of course. It's not time yet. My feet fly. Thanks for the gold. I'm way ahead. Not yet. On it. Put this away for later. go. As the arrow flies. At them. Oh! Here goes. Try this on for size. On my way. I'm under attack.
Sino dominating?
I gust onward.
TP siya dying. Offlane ba? Ta support.
Support. Sino? Wait, King.
So. Of course.
Dami nilang right click mamaya, no?
I run like the wind.
Ay, shucks.
On it.
Ano, ilang araw na siya namamatay, ah? 1, 3, 2,
Kaya
2.
nga eh.
Every coin helps. Already moving. On it. On my way. As the arrow flies.
Patap sila. Ito, dalawa.
Ganda nung ano mo dun, ah.
I'm way ahead.
Call mo dun, ah.
Wait lang, kuha ko rin ah. Wait lang, wait lang.
Increases. I go.
Going sila.
Okay, pupunta ako dyan.
Saved for a rainy day.
Dirito lang.
On it.
Kaya ba natin?
Pwede, pwede.
Tara, tara, tara. Ano? Ken? Laban natin.
PA una. PA una.
Andahin na lang.
I gust onward.
Dami na neto. Kaya ba natin to?
Okay, pag umangat.
Stun lang.
Level 5 pa lang si bro eh.
As the arrow
Ay,
flies
kita ako
like the
par.
wind.
Out na, out na. Pangit na.
Pwede
Out
pa
nila.
rin si bro, pwede pa rin si bro. Okay, magkaka-win ba ako?
I'm way ahead.
Nice
Ganda.
one.
Okay, na ano ka?
Bobo, umiwas
Gago
pa.
ka.
On my way.
Ako, nakataas na yung kamay niya. Sinakto ko lang, ah.
Okay lang.
I go. Put this away. Already I run like the wind.
May obsa ata doon.
They just killed Radiant's
Mukha.
courier.
Ba't
Nakita ka eh.
kita ako.
On it.
Okay, okay, okay. Wala, wala. Ay, ito.
As the arrow flies. I go.
Pwede ata to, ano?
Layo ko pa.
GG.
Reap like the wind.
Sayang, di nabutan.
Nip.
Layo, ah.
Of course.
Bye-bye, rating.
Ay, gago.
Buhay yun, par.
My feet fly. I'm not ready. I'm way
Hindi
ahead.
na ayos pa, par.
Wala ka napindot.
Help, help.
Going ako, but wala akong TP.
Didi bottom, ah.
Hindi ako na dyan. Gawa ko rin.
On my
Didi
way.
bottom.
Ah,
Like the wind.
mabuhay si Raid King, par. Sayang.
No expiration date on this. On it. I gust onward. On my way. As the arrow flies.
Need ko ba ng ano? Manta? Para sa bro. Kailangan ko rin ng pike.
You've got my wind out.
Kaya natin
Ayan.
to.
6 na yan.
Puta, dagger ka na.
Fortified their structures.
I go.
Nabibigla ako sa'yo.
Sayang.
Ooh, they took out the enemy's middle tower. Ha 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 ha.
Hindi, nagulat ako, dagger ka na
Pwede
pala.
natin go.
Fantastic. stuff happening
Pwede,
right here.
pwede ako tumalon.
Rick,
On it.
TP ako.
I run like the
Ay,
wind.
lakarin ko na lang.
On it. You catch my point?
Kung may ulti ka, pwede natin go to eh.
Damage. Take
Go na kung
May ulti na ako.
kaya mong talanan.
Kukulangin pa ako mana eh.
Oh, ito.
Yan, tara.
Go, go. Hawakan mo!
Uy!
Gago, hindi mo hinawakan.
Wala, nabitin ako.
win.
Shit,
May TP kayo?
ng...
Maubos to.
patay yata ako.
Here goes. My feet fly. I'm under attack.
Ay!
Arrow flies.
Sayang.
Ay, siya.
Ang daming glow sa bottom, par.
oh man, what? Get up on out of here, cause
Laban
Radiant
din.
just fortified their structures.
Ayaw kasi paluin ni Jakiro yun, Tom. Dalawa yung palo mo, Jakiro.
Your middle tower's under attack.
Tara, bottom, sir.
Whoa, 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 they took out the enemy's top tower.
Kamunagad, kahit sino.
Ah, nakadagger yan ha. Nakadagger naman yan.
The arrow incoming.
So, si M.
Dito ako, dito ako.
On it. I'm not ready. I run. I'm fantastic.
Tom, yun,
Tom.
Jakiro, paluin mo yung Tom.
I didn't see that. Like the wind. Raining arrows.
Ano nangyari? Paano tayo natatalo?
Attack. My feet fly.
Tang, eh, na.
Na-ulti yan. Wait lang. Alis,
Relax na tayo, sir. Relax tayo.
I go.
Nag-buyback.
Paano tayo natatalo?
Already moving. On my way.
Yung Tom kasi ay paluin, par. Jakiro.
Uy, yan.
Like the wind.
Patay yata. Walang kampi.
I'm way ahead.
Wait lang, nakarad eh.
Wag na lang.
On it.
5 seconds TP ko ah.
Ang na-rush ko,
As the
ags pala
arrow
dapat.
flies.
Baka igaw ako ah.
A step ahead. I go.
Gago.
Saved for a rainy day. I'm way ahead. Every coin helps.
Oh, pwede tayo go.
Asan?
On it.
Ang dahil. Naubos kanina eh.
Of course.
Kita ata kayo.
On my way.
Punta ka dyan, open na nga natin yan. Ay,
Ika.
Virgil pala yun. Parang tawari dyan.
Marami yata dito eh. Wala
Already
nag-show oh.
moving.
Ayun na nga.
Hindi mapapalo yun, Tom, par.
Pwede ang raid king ah. Pwede ang raid king. Wala yatang ulti yan.
mamatay. Baka.
Hindi. Uy, Lycan! Uy! Need ags niyan bago lumaban.
Dami nila doon, naka-ready.
You know, Rick, I gotta tell you,
Ako,
my
nilala pa
bottom
yun, ano.
tower is looking pretty good. 40, bottom tower under attack. Oh! You know, Rick, I gotta tell you, my bottom tower is looking pretty good. 40, bottom tower under attack.
Nakaano na pala to eh. Level 2 eh.
Oh, your bottom tower's under attack.
Pwede yan, laban eh.
Hey, Morty, guess what's not there? The bottom tower.
Relax
Whoa, Morty,
na
I've
ako.
been across the cosmos.
Farm na
and
lang,
I've
hindi
seen
natin kaya. Dalawa naka-red. Ay ano, may red.
This is definitely not a remarkable moment at all, in any way, shape, or form.
For the gold. Already moving. My feet fly. On my way. The arrow flies. I go. My utmost strength grows. I run like the wind. Of course. I'm way ahead.
Parking nga.
On it like the wind. On it.
Ano ba to?
Nag-right click din si bro.
Oh, right click nga rin
An
eh.
arrow. I run like the wind.
Dito yung bro.
On my way.
Go, 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 go.
Utang. Hindi na
Patulong
naman
kami.
hawakan.
My
Okay, pala.
Patulong kami. Mabilis lang naman tong ano eh bro eh.
30 seconds na lang.
gust onward.
Saan na yung green?
Ito na, pawala na yan ha.
Force field leads me to believe that Dire just fortified their structure.
Like the wind.
Nice call.
Bottom tower's under attack.
Tanong.
Binarag-barag yung top ay bottom par.
It's not. My feet
Your
fly.
bottom tower's under attack!
Already moving.
Bottom tower is gonzo, baby. Oh, Dire's courier got
I'm way
killed. Are you
ahead.
kidding me? Weak.
No expiration date on this. On it. I run like the wind. Of course.
Tanga kasi maglaro naman yung Lycan.
I go.
Sila.
As the arrow flies. You've got my wind.
21 na, 21.
Yeah.
On it. Here goes. My feet fly.
Long.
Visibility. I'm way ahead. Another arrow in
Thank
my
you.
Morty, middle tower. You might want to look at it. Middle tower's under attack!
Of course.
Nakuha kaya XP nila.
As the arrow flies. Like the wind. On it. I go.
Dami, sir.
Di ako lalaban, di ako lalaban.
At
Out ako.
lang, at lang. Dito, Dox. Ayan.
On my way.
Oo.
I gust on.
Gaya na yan. Power shot ko tong mid nila. Ay, ultihan ko.
Nag-wards ha, nag-wards. Kita nyo. Dito nag-wards ata.
I run like the wind.
Dagger na si Red King.
Bis lang eh, Radiance yan eh.
On it.
Ayaw lumaban.
Put this away for later.
Oh, your
My
top
feet
tower's under
fly.
attack.
I'm way
Man,
ahead.
you might as well save that energy because Radiant just fortified their structures. Oh, top tower. Loved it. I loved it.
On my way. Already moving. I run.
Alam, nira-rush no.
Here goes.
Nga, bigyan niya kita. Ang kulit mo.
On it.
Di naman nila kaya mag, high grounds eh.
Alam buhay to. Dagtom. Ata. Sila. Sige, yan muna.
Laban tayo. Pwede mo ipahit yung wards mo sa tomb para mabilis.
May dagger, Dox, ha? Baka mawanit ka.
Ay, sige.
Your top tower.
Kahit yan.
Pwede natin i-go. Ay no, andun na yung Lycan no.
I run like the wind.
Your top tower.
CM. Silence ko, CM.
Tali ko.
CM tayo.
Si Red King paro, andas.
PA. Hold neto. Stun ako.
Banatan ko yung Dax.
Got my
Kulit
wind
mo
up.
ah.
Ay, show.
Di ko yata need BKB. Kailangan ko Pike. Pike muna ako, Pike.
Position.
I gust onward.
Oh, uy, nabol niya par. Slow ko.
I go.
Bobo. Ayun oh. Ayun oh. Tumatawa ka, sir.
I'm in.
Low ka. Anyabang mo ha.
Di
Pang
tumama.
highlights ka.
Arrows.
Di na tama. Yung slow par.
May pang highlights ka na, pre.
Gotcha.
Atik.
On it.
Pike muna, Pike.
As the arrow flies.
Ilo.
Kailangan ko rin bike eh.
Kaya ikaw kan.
Saved for a rainy day.
Papapike talaga tayo.
Um,
Need natin position.
I go.
Ito siya oh.
Like the wind.
Meron na?
Ang bago mo? Ang dami par.
I'm under attack.
Uy, buti nag-out din. Alis, alis.
Nag-blink out din.
Not time yet.
Alis ah.
I run like the wind.
Dami niyang par. Out, out, out.
Hello.
On my way.
Meron. Mahigit 3,000. Babayaran ni Joe ngayon. Ni Joe. Oo. Nagpa-order siya eh.
Fly. As the arrow flies.
Side mirror ng sasakyan.
Tanggal ba yung words dito? Parang may words
Nabangga niya yung side mirror ng sasakyan niya.
At them.
Oo. Babayaran niya.
On it. Like the
Oo.
wind.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Attack.
Ito.
Kaya ata bigyan yan?
Here goes.
Kami. Kasama ko
Oo,
siya.
kung palambot. Ang ina mo, makulit ka. Masyado ka matapang kanina ka pa.
Hindi.
Grabe no? Sumasakil. May kausap pa yan.
As the arrow flies.
O siya kaya, Dax.
On my way.
Kaya ba?
Magka-focus pair ko. 15 sec.
Ah, mas maganda.
Like
Wala lang.
the wind.
Tayo natin to.
Ah, the enemy's bottom tower is gone. We did it.
Hindi ko natanid ng... Ano, sir?
Tara, rush. Lang.
I go. I run like the wind.
Ay,
Yawa.
smoke.
Okay, tara.
Sino?
CM, oh, CM, CM. Take CM, ha.
Wala akong das ah.
Meron ako.
Ito na. Pwede na itong Raid King. Ayun na pala, CM. Tum.
Okay, tamba ko. Sa tamba ko.
Ako din. Silence ko. Ubos yan ha. Ubos. Ganda
Oh, no,
pwesto
but-
natin. Ganda pwesto natin. Pay, tumalot.
Okay.
Nice one.
Ganda rin pwesto natin eh. Sir, take muna tayo dito para makuha natin triangle. Tsaka tayo rush.
Of course.
Okay.
Saved for a rainy day.
Bilis mo pala dyan.
Enemy's middle tower
Tumawa rin
is gone. Serves them right.
Already
Might as well
moving.
save that energy because
Not ready.
Radiant just fortified their structure.
Tara, rush na lang. Yan.
As the
Ayun
arrow
na.
flies.
Kunin mo yung triangle.
Okay, rush na. Kailangan natin na rush. Kailangan magtitipi eh.
On it.
Sakit ko.
Like the
Hindi mo
wind.
damage ko sa rush.
Break na yan.
On my way.
Hindi. Tangin na. Anong pang break ka?
Ay, nakita
Ikaw tumangki. Gusto mo sa'yo?
Pwede mo.
Pares pala tayo nakapipe na.
Para ma-push tayo.
Oh, Roshan just got slaughtered by the dire.
Yun. May
I
nag-ano.
gust onward.
Antayin na natin yan ha. Antayin na natin. Malaki tulong yan sa atin.
Yeah, farm lang muna.
I'm way ahead. I run like the wind.
Para
On it.
ba yung ano? Mag-auto kasi yung Q ko.
I gust onward.
Bottom.
Not yet. Like the wind. On it. Put this away for later. I'm way ahead. Of course.
I'll take that.
Poisoned ako ah.
Ay na natin like yan.
Pagbuhay.
On
Ay,
my
bo.
way.
Papunta na ako.
Kukunin
Papunta na ako.
niya
Antayin
daw.
niya ako. Napatay mo?
Already
Oh.
moving.
Wala eh. Kuha ka na lang iba.
Patay niya na agad. Patay niya na agad. Pag 15 naman eh.
Ito, solo kill ko na ata ito.
On it.
Sige nga. Bakit mo?
Kung nandito siya. Wala, parang na-clear na.
As the my feet
Ay na, yan.
incoming.
Ito, tali ko.
Dying. Hindi ko nakuha.
Reach the world. Shot, right? My feet fly.
Tulak.
Parang hindi ko kailangan ng butterfly, sir.
The middle tower's under attack.
Oo, damage par.
Ito.
Grows.
Daedalus.
Of course.
Pwede.
Like the wind.
Isip ko kailangan ko ba
Laban
mantay. Uy!
I'm way ahead.
Abot tayo.
I'm under attack. Regeneration.
Tali ko. Baka makadagger. Makadagger nga, sumakar-fire par.
Sakto.
Ah, hindi ko manik.
Silence ka, na-silence ka.
Here, have an arrow. My feet fly.
Mid tayo.
I'm not ready.
Pa-arcane nga ako.
Flies.
Nagkaka-arcane ko. Nasama ka naman.
On my way.
Hello, bote.
Talon kaya?
Eh,
Yun
sino?
na, focus na to.
The enemy's
Dying.
tower's gone. Search the right. Oh, I can't believe it. What a wonderful thing.
Hindi natin na second tower mga tore, sayang.
Enemy's middle barracks just got wrecked, baby.
Bottom na lang.
Like the wind.
Takboyin ko. Tabi dyan.
Already moving.
Daedalus ba to?
Pwede. Wala man ako blade mail.
I go. Like the wind. Of course. Already moving.
Nagsod siya.
Here, have an arrow.
Uy! CM!
Run like the wind.
Lalakad-lakad mo dyan, gago ka.
Wild winds rising.
Gistraba.
Reap the whirlwind.
Hooray!
Tagal pa na ito,
The
1 minute
enemy's
pa.
bottom tower's destroyed. Hooray!
Wala sila kasing panggo eh.
Tatayuan ko na lang ata.
The arrow flies.
Ultihan ka? Ulti ka? Pwede.
My feet fly.
Gago! Ang tanong ko, ulti ka ba?
Tali ko, natali ko.
O, diba?
Saan
Basta
ito?
go kayo.
Still alive. I'd still be shooting.
Saan yung Tom kaya?
My feet fly.
Oo, binihit ko. Gago. Walang kasama.
Hanap ko ba't may zombie par?
Tanga mo.
Hindi makita.
Enemy's bottom tower is gone.
Hindi
Tanga mo.
makita par.
Well, that's what I call
Akala ko
Ginaw,
nandito
ginaw.
eh. Wala pa ako.
are gone. It's all safe.
Mapasok yung Agseno. Grabe.
Oo nga.
Tali.
At them. It's not time yet. Once burned, ice shot.
Ay, wala
Akala
sila
ko
boy.
kasi nandito yung Tom par.
Ang ina mo.
Nabanata mo pala.
On my way.
Ito, galit na mag-ulti to par. Hindi siya naka-ulti kanina eh.
Hindi siya maka-ulti kanina pa.
Pag sinakal mo, tiyang ko.
I gust
Took
on.
out the enemy's middle tower.
Here goes.
Gago, ginagawa mo dito. Straba ka na naman ha.
Per kapalaikan, bugbog ka sa bottom. Tali yan par.
Ooh, they took out the enemy's middle tower.
Attack.
Man, great teamwork, huh, Rick? You're actually watching this, Morty?
Taste my arrow.
Idiots.
Gago, yamot yung rating niyan. Buhat na buhat niya na eh. Ganda na nasimula niya eh.
Kaya nga.
Kaso problema, puro sila melee.
As if there was ever any doubt.
GG sir, may ako sir.
Ako din, kakain lang ako. Ken, nice G.
Nice G, nice
GG's,
G.
GG's.
GG.
Ay, may isa akong reroll. Wait. Pasakali.
Mayroon
Isang
din nata
reroll.
ako eh. Tingnan niya natin.
Meron yan, nanalo ko eh.
Ang dami
Puta,
ko
wala
na
pa rin. Fuck. Yoko na. Wala pa rin. Sir, dahil yung pang highlight, sir ah.
Ay no, Arcana. Panaginip.
Di nga.
Wala, para awit. Pangit. Upload ka sir, mamaya. Nice G, nice G.
GG's.